An ammo-laden Russian tank is turned into scrap in a spectacular explosion after Ukrainian forces score a direct hit on it. The video opens with several explosions breaking out in and around a devastated settlement among fields as Ukrainian forces shelled the area. The drone filming from the sky then zooms in on a burning wreck, which appears to be Euro 4320 general-purpose off-road 6X vehicle daubed with a white C. A spectacular explosion then fills the screen as the ammo inside the vehicle detonates and debris is flung all around. Fire then rages as a thick plume of dark smoke rises into the sky. Newsflash obtained the footage from the 30th Independent Mechanized Brigade formation of the Ukrainian ground forces yesterday, Monday, 23 May. The brigade said, in Ukrainian, the enemy vehicle Ural with ammunition destroyed by our soldiers burns no worse than the cruiser Moskva. The Russian guided missile cruiser Moskva famously sunk in the Black Sea on 14 April after Ukrainian forces damaged the ship with two R-360 Neptune anti-ship missiles. Russian media claimed the sinking was due to stormy seas. Russia invaded Ukraine on 24 February in what the Kremlin is now calling a special military operation to protect Donbass. Today marks the 90th day of the invasion. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU, reported earlier today that Russia had lost about 29,350 troops between 24 February and 24 May. The AFU General Staff added that Russia had also lost 1,302 tanks, 3,194 armored fighting vehicles, 606 artillery systems, 201 multiple launch rocket systems, 93 anti-aircraft systems, 205 aircraft, 170 helicopters,